A lovely boy of 18 from Delhi, recommended by my friends for improper behavior and psychiatric issues. Guess what? He was taken to a psychiatrist, and the psychiatrist dumped medicines morning, afternoon, evening. End results? Acne, poor concentration, poor focus, loss of memory, digestion disturbed, sleep perturbed. The student couldn't study. The anger rose to the sky and the behavior became bloody. And enemies became everybody. Now see, going to a psychiatrist is perfectly fine. Understanding, reflecting, and also doing therapies which are natural. Breath, fragrance, touch, taste, sunshine, fresh air, shavasana, meditation, pray, relax, retreat, repair, restore, revive, rejuvenate. So when we got the charge of the boy, we simply started natural methods, mingling with the elements. And today, thankfully, the boy is free of medicines, with self-realization, self-naturalization.